trying to listen. Quiet. I swear the baby pig caught my throat.
Good afternoon, Miss Hannigan.
Ah, Pharaoh. You're early. Only 1 week. What's the matter? Warbucks fed up with Annie already?
Oh no, on the contrary, Mr. Warbucks is delighted with Annie, and Annie is having the time of her life.
How nice.
Yes, she and Mr. Warbucks are practically inseparable. They go everywhere together, to the Roxy, to the Stock Exchange, and guess where they had lunch yesterday?
The Waldorf?
The Automat.
The Automat.
And Annie just loves her new coat. She never takes it off.
Never?
Never. Miss Hannigan, I know you're busy, but this has to be signed.
That one's mine.
Sent back to Mr. Donatelli at the Board of Orphans by no later than 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
What for?
Because Mr. Warbucks is so taken by Annie that, guess what?
What?
He wants to adopt her.
How nice. How wonderful. Now, let me get this wonderful news straight. Annie is going to be Warbucks' kid, the daughter of a millionaire?
Oh, no. The daughter of a billionaire.
A billionaire?
Yes, and Mr. Warbucks asked me to drop by in person to tell you that Annie won't be coming back here. Ever.
Ever? Mine. You just, would you excuse me for a moment, please? Ah! What? You got any more wonderful tips?
I told you about the coat, didn't I?
Huh. You told me about the coat.
Then good day, Miss Hannigan.
Yeah, good day.
And Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Oops, pardon me, gorgeous. Yeah. Hey, sis, long time no see,
Rooster?
What?
Oh, God. It never rains, but it pours. They finally let you out of Sing Sing?
Yeah, I got a 6 months off for good behavior.
Yeah, I'll bet. What was it this time?
Some old geezer from Yonka said I swindled him out of 1,100 bucks.
Oh, yeah? And why do you say that?
Because Rooster swindled him out of 1,100 bucks.
Aw, Lil.
It's true.
Sis, I'd like to meet my new gal from,
Joyzy City?
Joyzy City. How could I forget? Miss Lily St. Regis.
I named after the hotel.
Which floor?
Don't you just love Lily, sis?
Yeah. I'm nuts about it. Listen, Rooster, do me a favor.
Oh, yeah, anything, Aggie?
Get out of here and take St. Regis with you.
Aw, come on, sis.
Can it? You're looking for another handout, huh?
Nah, I got 80 bucks coming in the mail Thursday, so, all I need is 10 bucks to tide me over.
Not even a nickel for the subway, Rooster.
A fiver, Aggie.
$5? Oh, God, I gotta laugh. You with all your big talk, gonna be living in clover?
Hey, well, this ain't exactly Buckingham Palace.
Oh, yeah? I'm on the city. Steady salary, free food, free gas and electric. I'm doing all right.
Sis, you're doing like I'm doing.
Lousy.
Oh, Aggie, how'd the two Hannigan kids ever end up like this, on the skids? I remember the way our sainted